Hello, this is Costas, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you very fast how you can use Artistly 6.0 to uh, create very fast banners that you want to use to your website about for advertisement reasons, or if you want to use to your social media post, or in case you want to use it for lead sleep or anywhere that you want to expose your advertisement. So let me show you very fast the simplest way. You go to create design, you can go to fast AI image designer, and you just click create from prompt. Okay, you can create four images at the same time. Okay, and you can select to be fast or high quality. We don't care about the high quality. We can be fast because we want a fast banner, and we can write the prompt that is going to be very simple. Let's say that we want to advertise a traffic source um banner, and we want to ask AI to create for us, create a, um, an impressive banner that clearly states boost your traffic. Okay, the word boost, it's gonna uh, create something that it has to do with boost. We can write explode, let's say, and it's gonna create something that it's gonna have to do with explode. It depends on what kind of words you choose to create for your banner. And the next click, I can even click here and click enhance prompt, but that can be a little bit messy because I want something fast, and I don't want something extraordinary, and I want mostly to have this sentence be stated on my prompt, my banner. Okay, I'm gonna make it one-on-one and click generate image. You see that all of those images that Artistly creates is they are high quality. You see even here that it's already created a boost traffic that looks really interesting, and boost your traffic here, boost your traffic, and it looks really amazing. You can easily if you don't like this kind of post, you can this kind of banners, you can just click over here and click regenerate. It's gonna bring you here, and I can write this time explode so that you can see how the banner is gonna change. Explode your traffic. Okay, and I'm gonna select to make again 4 and click generate. And so fast and so simple, you got your banners, and uh, without any any extra work or working on canvas. You get your banners ready and made the way you like it. You can even try this feature that I showed you. Let me show you that uh, right away. To enhance your prompt, if you're gonna click here and click enhance, AI is gonna try to enhance this prompt and make it more fancy and more detailed. And then you're gonna click generate image, and it's gonna generate something more extraordinary, not that simple as we created the ones before. You see that in some cases it looks really better, and it looks really interesting. Um, you can just download your picture, or you can just copy and paste where you want your prompt to be, your banner to be. As you can see, you have the whole prompt over here. You see, you got the prompt. You can even test it to other platforms, but Artistly, trust me, is one of its kind. It's one-time payment, and you just use it forever. And trust me, it worth every penny that you give for this amazing platform. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as you can see, I am testing and showcase a lot of AI tools. Subscribe to my channel and trust me, you're gonna see a lot of interesting videos. Thank you, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.